Hello, my name is Dennis Ilan and my title for FIP is an active lower limb ankle foot orthosis device for pediatric patients. This device will help children with abnormal walking pattern by providing additional force and coordinating their walking gaits. This is the front view of the device followed by the side view of the device. Then the top view of the device. We have three sensors to determine and study the position of the leg. First sensor at the hallucis part, second at the fifth metatarsal part, and lastly third at the heel part. Now I remove the cover in order to see the controlling circuit of this AF4. It uses 8000 mAh lithium powered battery which is rechargeable. This device uses Arduino Nano as a controller and Motorola L298N to control the actuator. All the circuits are PCB mounted. There is a linear actuator to provide force to the limb. So as we go for the mass analysis, the total weight of the device is 0.93 kg, which is less than 1 kg. The body of the AF4 is made by molding process using polyprene material, which makes the device is light and strong. This active AF4 is custom made for each and every patient, since all of us have different leg size. Let's see how the active AF4 works. The sensors read the force exerted by our foot to determine the position of the leg. If three sensors give the same threshold force, it means the leg is standing. If the sensor at front gives higher reading than the sensor at heel position, that means our leg will start the dorsiflexion. At this point, the actuator will be triggered. To give a clear view, when the force of the front sensors increases, it will trigger the actuator. Okay, this is a single leg demonstration. So when I'm standing, all the sensors have same force, so there is no movement at the actuator. When I start to walk, it provides additional force for the limb. It will provide additional force for the limb. When I stand, there is no movement. When I start walking again, it starts to push my limb to the front in order to coordinate my walking pattern. This AF4 is custom made because it prevents the abnormal movement of foot. This will help cerebral palsy child patient to control their leg movement. As we see, the AF4 will make sure the patient to follow the same step and stride length each time when they are walking. This will help them to develop their abnormal walking gait to normal walking gait over the time. Since each and every patient have different walking speed and angle of dorsiflexion, the movement speed and range of motion of this AF4 can be controlled. This AF4 is able to provide 12 to 25 degree assist for the dorsiflexion. The speed of AF4 can be controlled using PWM based on the time taken for the patient to complete one step. The faster time is 1 second and the slowest time is 6 seconds. As we see in the video, there is 25 degree dorsiflexion assist with 6-second time. This active AF4 is a daily wear product and easy to wear and take off. This will help the pediatric patient to practice their leg rehabilitation at their home also. The battery is long lasting and it is very easy to recharge it. This makes this device is user friendly. This is how a fully developed and fully functional active ankle foot orthosis device will work. Thank you.